Is it safe to install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a question many LG Smart TV users ponder. Is it safe to install third-party apps on my LG Smart TV? Let's find out.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not officially supported or provided by the device manufacturer. In this case, they're apps not found in the LG Content Store, but elsewhere. They can range from games, utilities, to streaming services.
Why would someone want third-party apps?
There are a few reasons. 1. More choices. Third-party apps can give you access to services or functionalities not available in the official store. 2. Niche applications. Some apps cater to specific user needs that mainstream platforms might not cover. 3. Cost. Some third-party apps might be cheaper or offer more features than their official counterparts.
What are the risks?
While there are benefits, there are also risks to consider. 1. Security. Third-party apps are not vetted by LG. They could contain malware or spyware. 2. Privacy concerns. These apps might collect your personal data without your knowledge or permission. 3. Performance issues. Some might not be optimized for your TV, leading to crashes or slow performance. 4. Warranty and support. Installing third-party apps might void your TV's warranty or make it ineligible for support from LG.
How can I stay safe?
If you decide to venture into the world of third-party apps, here are some safety tips. 1. Research the app. Look up reviews, forums, or articles about the app you're considering. 2. Check permissions. Be wary if the app asks for permissions that don't seem relevant to its function. 3. Download from reputable sources. While no source is 100% safe, sticking to well-known platforms can reduce risks. 4. Keep software updated. Ensure your TV's firmware and all apps are regularly updated. In conclusion, while third-party apps can bring additional features and functionalities to your LG Smart TV, they come with risks. Always be cautious and informed about what you're installing. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember to always prioritize your safety and privacy.